Yeah, so
Okay. So yesterday we are raised the access for STG. So I got the uh, access granted.
okay. For STG, you mean?
STG, yes, right.
Okay. So what we'll do is just a minute. Hmm, yeah. So firstly, let me check what are the systems which are resolved already.
Okay.
Denali RAS, right? So this is how we resolve the systems, right?
Yes.
So first, let me check what are all the systems. Team, when you're using it. Franklin is still running on current side.
Your
Okay.
screen is not visible. Hello,
Not visible.
not visible. I think the connection problem. Connectivity
No,
issue.
no, no, no. Okay, okay, okay. 1 minute. Let me stop sharing and share it again. Mm, I selected just my Microsoft. Just a minute. A minute. Ooh. Oops. Okay, let me share my whole screen.
Yes, it is visible now.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so let me. Okay, so okay, so yeah. So I guess we saw like how to like Dan 15 was available, right? So
Yes.
So what we will do is we'll focus on DEN 15 and we'll check what is the HMC connected to that DEN 15 and we'll go to the HMC and then we will try to create an LPAR within that system via that
No,
HMC.
yesterday we had done day 16.
Yeah, yeah, that's fine. Today we'll take a fresh system because someone else is working on that, right? So we don't want
Yes.
anything. Yeah, because someone else, see, if you had seen that this one, right? Record, right? If you had seen that, so someone is using Gen 16. Okay,
Yes.
Gen 16 someone is using. I just saw the status morning.
But like,
So yeah,
I guess yes.
yeah, Srilata is using,
Deepika
right?
asking for the system is available
Yeah,
or not. I,
Srilata is using it. So what we will do is we will work on Gen 15. Okay.
okay. Okay.
So today, so what you will do is just go there, just go in Gen 15 and reserve your system first.
Okay.
Yeah, just go there. Did you do that?
Yes, I'm doing. Yes. I done.
Yep, correct. So now, okay, so now we can begin using that system. Okay, so always this is the first thing which we always do. Okay, then 15. So always whatever the system is available at the day, like we have to go through that and see whether it is available or not. Okay, so now let
Okay.
me log into my LCB. You know, right? We have to get the system information.
Yes.
Okay,
First of all, you have to log in by LCB and
yeah,
to go to the CD slash
3D. Then
FS mount slash tools,
yep,
and we have
LS.
to ls
This
and
LS is just for your information, right? If
yeah,
you
only
uh,
just knowing the commands and whatever we have in our system.
now here I don't know whether primary is my FSP1 or FSP2,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
FP1 or FP2. Yeah, either of this command will work on either of the this one, right? So no need.
yeah,
But
FP
when yeah,
one or FP2, yeah, either
yeah.
both.
See, now what happens is like see now the script didn't execute well, right? Like getting password is now
Yeah,
secured with AFS cell, right? So what you have to do is uh, just clear it. What you have to do is you have to issue this command, okay? I will tell you what is that.
klog hyphen cell,
No, no, klog, yeah. Where is it?
klog hyphen
Command,
cell
command.
AWD,
Okay, just tell me. You tell me.
klog
Okay.
hyphen space hyphen cell AWD, AWD.
AWD?
Yes,
Yeah. So here it will ask, right? So now after issuing this command, if you give this command, so it will execute fine. Okay.
yes, yes,
So whenever you feel like okay, the command is not executing properly or we are not getting any correct output, right? So issue that command and just give your credentials. So I guess this is just for the enhanced security, right? Because till
yes, yes,
recently
yes.
we were able to access these commands, but after so just recently like they introduced this
They make
authentication.
more
Yeah,
authentication. You can say that.
yeah, correct. So that's the reason. So this script will get you all the information, okay? All the information.
Yes, yes,
See here, what you can see. See here we have one HMC connected, right? So this is its IP address, okay? And here we can see like we have two FSPs. Primary FSP is this one, and secondary FSP is this one, okay?
yes. You're
So
right.
yeah, and you can see how many nodes are there and how many mechs are there. So I will let you know this afterwards. So these are all the locations within the hardware, and these are all the what you can see. I told you now we can assign a resource to partitions as well, right? So then 15 FP2, we
Yes,
have a
yes,
partition assigned for Austin. Like this is the adapter, okay? So initially it was like this. It was directly connected to the system, so there was no this one. But afterwards, what happened is we created an LPAR, and then we went to within that LPAR, and then we assigned this adapter to this LPAR, right? So like that. So that's how we do.
yes,
Okay, so now here, so today what we want, so yeah, we have this information. We'll keep this handy. So also let me do one thing. So let me, so I have the primary FSP info, right? Primary FSP info, right?
yes,
So I will get first. I will get into the system and we'll check how is the system, whether we have any other error log or not. Okay, let me do that. So again, I have opened a new terminal for LCB, right?
right.
Let me log into that. This is not needed. So here we can directly log into this one, right? Since we can directly telnet to our primary
Terminate and
FSP.
the FSP name.
Yeah, we can just use this primary. We don't know what is it FP1 or FP2, right? So how we
Yes.
can check that is, see, we have this command, right? Host name. So in this, we'll get to
First
know whether
one.
it is FP1 or FP2. Yeah. So it
Right.
says the primary which the details which you entered, it was the FP1. So that means our primary is
FP1 is the
N2, then
primary.
15 FP1. Yeah. So we
Yeah,
will
right.
check the error log. So there is no error log, right? And always we have to do these two things, okay?
Guard
You have to
GG.
check
Right.
guard, any guard is there or not. So there is no guard, okay? And we have to check the state of the system. So this is just for information. We can get this all the information from HMC as well. So commands. Okay. See, the status is
Running.
runtime. That means the system is up and running, okay?
Running. Up and running. Right.
Yeah. Okay, fine. So this is just I just wanted you to show like one is LCB screen we opened, one is after opening LCB we got into the telnet, like we telnet to the system and we are in the FSP. Okay, and if you
Yes.
want to check the CUPD CMD F command, right, what it will do?
Yes.
It will show
We
you
can
the all
debug
the
the
information like what is the current
current
driver,
level of.
right? Current level of the firmware we have, right? So
Yes.
423B2117. So if you could go and check this as well. For example, firmware to this link, and you can just validate, right? So whether it is the latest or not. See, uh,
Yes.
see, for B0. See, you can compare this.
Yes.
Uh,
423.
see, C423B 2117, right? And earlier it was so that is it,
420.
right? So it is already at the latest level, right? So this is how we need to verify, right? So whenever we are getting new code, we have to just verify whether that is our latest or not. If not, then we have to issue that code update command and all code
Yes.
update command alone, and then we can just carry forward with our things. Okay.
Right.
Yeah. So today I want you to do the code update as well. Okay. Just keep in mind
Okay.
on den 2. I will tell you when to do, but for now, let me take
Okay.
this session for you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah. So for you, I guess we need the HMC as well in order to create an LPAR first. Okay.
Yes.
So this is our HMC information. You can either use this name or you can
Right.
see you can yeah, this one, or let me use today the IP address. Okay, yesterday you saw this, the same thing. Just the thing is, instead of that name you have to just use the IP address. So
Yes.
if yeah, HTTPS, just give the IP address, and yep, you are here. So to get the lab password, you know, right, what to do? Lab password
Yes. Levels.
for the HMC. Yeah, again this one, then you here.
So HSC, we have to write HSC.
Okay,
Yes.
yeah, yeah, HSC root. In HSC root, HSC root. What is that?
I guess the space.
Oh yeah, yep. Now it will enter. Always allow. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So see, these are all the systems connected to this HMC, and our system is this one. Okay. Just
Yes.
click on
Then
that.
to
Then 15. Yeah. So you could see will yeah. So you could see just only one partition is there, right? So what you can do is you can create a new Denali system. So
here, right. Um,
yeah. Do you want to do it?
yes.
Okay. just do it. Share your screen and do it. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Share your screen.
Please ping me the IP address.
Yeah.
Or just say.
Yeah, I'm taking. Yeah, okay. You do from your end. Yeah, do it. Just go and not here. HMC info. You'll not get in telnet, right?
Yeah.
Issue that get system info. Issue the
So directly,
get system info.
I can go to the IP address and
Yeah. So, but I want you to find that IP address, right? I can give you, but I don't want you to
okay.
spoon feed you. I want you to get that information.
One minute, I have to write down Klog. Very.
What happened?
Nothing. I open another screen. Yes. So one is one HMC is connected. Okay.
Yep. So this password might change. Okay. So it's always better to use that link.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, Nitesh.
Yeah. Just give the partition name as den 15
P02, right?
03. 03 is already there, na?
Okay.
Yeah.
No,
Wait. What are you doing? What happened?
no, nothing. I'm doing big scale.
Okay, just give next. So here, see, partition type is AX, Linux, or IBM I, right? So we are having one more type of operating system that is IBM I related, right? So it's
Okay.
always like since we are all no, don't click on that. So we are since already working on AX and Linux. So like either AX or Linux, right? So so we'll select that. Yeah, give just give 10 10 memory.
Dedicated, right?
Yeah, give dedicated itself. Uh, give 5 5 yeah 5 is fine. 541 541. No, minimum is uh yeah 2 is fine.
Two is fine. All right.
Yeah, 2 is fine. Allocated it
Uh,
would be 4 5 or this one maximum would be 6 or something like that. Okay. Just make sure we have that much of memory. Yeah, this completely depends upon the type of configuration or like what kind of loads we are running, right? So do we require a more memory or less memory? Yeah, yeah, go ahead with next thing. Memory you can give 80 yeah give. This is already GB, okay? Yeah. So how many you used as in your previous work? This one.
again 80.
So this was the same configuration which you are using earlier in your previous this one.
Yes. It is the standard one.
Okay. Use it. But there are few there are scenarios where we are doing a max setup, right? Max LPAR
So they
setup,
will
right?
assign, means they will give the credential, means
So
not the
basically,
information.
basically how it so basically how it works is like for example for one processor unit will be assigning 8 GB, right? So that is the ratio 1:8. So that's how we do it.
Okay.
Yeah, this is fine.
So
No,
it
this is
will
just
take.
a
So we are right now we are assigning with 80 GB. So it is
yeah.
very big.
No, that's fine. Like we can assign thousands of GB as well. Thousand like we have that capacity, right? So for now it's fine. But
Right.
the system what will happen is the system will become slow a bit.
Yeah, right.
Like you big processor and big memory, right? So it takes time. So yeah. Anyways, this is fine. We are good.
So when we give the IP address,
Yeah. I'll tell you.
yes, it is done.
Close. Yeah. Yeah. Don't touch 10. That is already was there, na? So now, I will share you my screen. How we can do that? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. You can see my screen, right?
Right.
Okay. So see here we can see AIX that is already been installed, right? And here, but here we can see Linux and AIX, right? So
Right.
there is no particular OS installed here. So it's just an indication like we are yet to install it. Okay. So now, okay. So this is the environment which we have created, right? Like what you can say, like it is like a body of the system, but we are yet to push in the soul, right? Like we have to push in the OS to that, right?
Yes.
So now, so always after creating an LPAR, so we have to get an IP address. Okay, the IP address we will be requesting it from the SLRC tool, right? The one which you I told you right that day, like I shared you one link, right? Let me
right.
ping you that. But I guess some issue was there, right? So you are not able to get that. Let me ping you that.
Yes.
So this is the SLRC to request IP address for LPARs. Okay, did you get that?
Yes, yes. I have to check.
Yeah, yeah, I have pinged in this one, right? So you could see here we have single IP, multiple IP. So I will be selecting single IP, okay? And then
Yes.
I will select as Austin, right? Our lab, we are issuing that this one, and then we'll be giving J090. Okay, always remember
One
J090. Yeah, yeah, write it down quick.
single IP address, right? Single IP address, IP request.
Sorry, I am already recording it, right? So even if you are missing out something, then
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. No issues. Okay, you can go ahead.
single IP address, then you'll select Austin, and then here you will select 2J090, right? Okay.
Okay.
Then subnet would be high-end systems, right?
File
Select.
and systems. Yeah,
Just go through the video, you'll get an idea, right?
yeah. Yeah, okay.
So host name would be den15p03, the part this one LPAR name, right?
Okay.
Because
Yes,
that is our
we
LPAR name, right?
give it.
This is
Yeah,
our,
right.
yeah.
We give it.
We'll be getting IP address for this name, right? And this will be unique for everyone, right? So now,
Yes.
once I create den 15 P03, then if you are creating again one more alpha, you will not get this name den 15 P03, right? It will be unique.
Yeah, it is unique for LPAR.
Yeah. So now it's fine. Then we'll delegate or delegate. No, no. That is skip. Then group would be none. Then
Okay.
see it will start this one. To start
Reserving
reserving the
IP.
IP address. Yeah. So yeah, first thing is reserving the IP address for your LPAR, which is already we have created. Okay. So
Yes,
now we are
yes.
doing that. See, so now it is registered, right? See, uh, see
First
here.
one.
Uh, yeah. So
First one.
now if you no no not first one, this one
And
bottom one,
register. This is right.
bottom one. Okay. 9.3.21.220. Okay. Now it is being reserved, right? So the next thing is you have to install the AIX into your this one. What you can say in your for example, where is it? Yeah. So this is a screen, right? So what you have to do is you have to install. Now we have already reserved the IP address, correct?
Right.
Yeah. So the next thing what we have to do is we have to activate it in a SMS mode. Okay.
SMS model. Right, right. Yeah.
You know, right?
I
This one.
yes.
Yeah, but before that, we have to reserve our OS image. Okay, so we have a
Okay.
NIM server. You know the NIM server,
Yes.
which I had, I guess, already shared the link.
Yes,
So
yes. I have.
yeah, I have shared you the link, right? So for now, just remember this, like we are. So these are many. These are the systems which we already have, right? This one. But what we can do is like we can select this server, right? Like from this server, we'll be getting our operating system, and then from there we can start executing it, right? So what happens is
Okay.
like whenever we are the main purpose of this NIM page is to reserve the OS image from that particular server, right? So whenever I will show you how it goes, right? So for example, I
Okay.
will just give my IP
Okay.
mail address here and let it be HMC controlled, and then submit this page. So when you are doing that, you can just give your this one, right? Your
Okay.
this one name. Okay. So now here domain required if client is not in Austin, right? So what does this mean is like you have to give the IP address. You have to give this what you can say Denali 15P03. Okay.
Yeah, per name. Okay.
Yeah. So since it is the Austin lab and our HMC is already there, like our system is already there in Austin, right? So you don't need not give dot Austin dot stg dot labs, right? Just
Okay,
this much is
okay.
enough. Then it will take that dot Austin dot stg labs dot IBM.com by default. Okay. So this is a unique one,
Okay.
right? So are you trying to relate? 1 minute. Are you trying to relate the things like we had? Just a
Yes,
minute.
yes. Okay. I can relate means we we do means we can uh, do the installation from the Austin lab only.
Yeah.
MPC is there and is Linux. Yes. SMS mode is also there.
Yeah. So, okay. So this is a NIM, what you can say. This is a NIM server from where so what it will do is we have to give all your details, right? For example, our LPAR name. And here the important thing is the build name, okay? So
Right.
so always remember we are using 72X, okay? So I guess
Seven
you
two.
might see in one of, yeah, 72X is the one which we are targeting to install. Let me check. So we have various other flavors as well. So that totally depends on what kind of things we are doing, right? If you could see here, so we have 72 build here, and under this the most down the bottom one is the latest one, okay? Latest OS.
Okay. Yes, 16, 21.16.
Yeah. So you can see the difference, right? Below above one is 0.515, below one is 0.16.
16, right.
Correct. So we can click on that. So that means we are requesting for this build, okay,
Okay.
from this server. So this is the build which we are installing on our this system, right?
Right.
Yeah. For this one, what happens is that this is for AIX. Okay. This procedure is same for AIX and Linux, but in Linux, there is slight difference. So in Linux, whenever we are doing that install, right? So we have to give its SMS menu, like we have to give the hardware idea of that. Okay. So I will show you how it does. For now, just since we are doing this for AIX, we need not give any. See here, it's mentioned right for any Linux. Then we have to give the hardware address over here, right?
Oh,
But it
yes.
is AIX, right?
Example.
Since the build is since the build is AIX, then we'll be no, need not doing that. So let me do this. So this is just for AIX. So see, now I have submitted it. So what it will do is internally. Whenever we are giving all the IP address, na, so we will be giving, so there will be one documented output which after submitting it, I guess we have submitted it. Yeah, it's loading, right? So it will take some time for 2 or 3 minutes. So once we get the
Okay.
output of it, then we will initiate the active with SMS mode on the LPAR. Okay. Then I will show you how
Yes.
you can relate it. You'll get to know. So for
Okay.
let's wait for a minute till then it gets downloaded. I'll be right back in a minute. Okay. Let it
Okay.
load for a minute. Yeah. Hello.
Yes. Nice, Nitesh. So we
See,
get this information info
yeah, we
message.
got some information, right? Like this is the server, this is the IP address of the server from where we can get that installation. This is our network mask address and this is our gateway information. Okay. So in a while you will get to know how we will be using this information. Okay. So
Okay.
now let me come back. Where is it? Yeah, so let me come back to this. So here what you will do is now we have also two things we have to do before activating the LPAR. So first thing is the SLRC IP. We have to reserve the IP for that. And second thing is we have to go to the NIM server and request for the OS. Okay, whatever the OS we are requesting.
Okay.
Two things we are done. So now the third thing which we are doing is we are activating this LPAR with the what you can say SMS menu. Okay, I will show you.
SLS
See,
menu. Right.
yeah. Are you aware of SMS menu?
Yes.
Yeah, so let it be default profile um,
Okay.
and in advanced setting, use not this one. Boot mode will be there, na?
System.
Give system management
System.
service mode. Okay,
Yes.
this is just when you want to what you can say do some developer mode or not developer mode. If you
Um,
want to do any changes at the OS level, right? Or else it would be normal
we have
itself, right?
available. Yeah, we
See, we
can.
have normal option as well, right? Normally, like
Yes.
whenever we are activating, it would be normal mode, but since we are installing an OS on it onto it, so we'll be using system management service mode. Okay.
Yes. SMS mode means advanced mode. We can say that BIOS mode.
Not VIS mode. We are so here in our environment, like yeah, like usually it would be a VIS, but here we are more focused on the hard. So in RAS, what happens is like we are more focused on how the hardware behavior and how is it reliable and how is the serviceability going on, right? So we are not
Yes.
much
Yes.
focused on. So we are not much focused on this one. Yeah. So give the service system management service. Okay, SMS. That is SMS mode. Okay,
Yeah. Right.
and then finish. So now what will happen is it will bring up on the with the SMS mode. Okay. So
Yes. Okay. The partition activated.
yeah, partition activated, right? But since it is in an open firmware, that means we have to yet to install the AIX. Okay, on that. So now what we will do is let me share the terminal as well. Share content. Yeah, could you see my screen now? Could you see me the
Yes.
terminal?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, see. So now, so we have that HMC information, right? So what we will do is, in order to get into that terminal of this, in order to do the installation, we have to get back to the terminal, okay, of this system, okay,
Okay.
of this LPAR. So what I will do is now I will log into the HMC in the CLI mode, okay. So to log into the HMC, what I need to do is log into the HMC via IP address, right? Like terminals, I will show you in terminal how we will log in it. So now in terminal, what we will do is we'll give HS. So the same credential you will use, right, to log into the
Yeah.
this one HSC root @ this IP address. Okay. If I give
Okay.
enter, then I have to add the password. So password is our lab password. Same thing, but
Yes.
just
Yes.
in terms of
Same thing, but we are using a CLI.
yeah, correct. So all the installation will be done mostly on the CLI itself, right? So let me paste that information and let me enter disconnect invalid SSH root. Okay. Okay, we are in LCB, right? It should not be LCB. Like this is all the this is from putty you have to open a new session. Okay, it's not from LCB, right? We'll be connecting that.
Right, right.
SSH HSC root HSC
Root
root at the rate.
at the rate 931
Yeah,
118.
yeah. HSC root as this one, this IP address, and then
Okay.
we need this password, lab password, right? Which so the same thing which we are doing in HMC, we are doing it in terminal. Okay, just don't worry much
Okay.
about this. So here also we are just logging to the HMC, and from HMC, yeah. So see here, we got HMC prompt, right? Yeah, you could see here the name of the HMC, right? HSC root is the login credential, and this is the HMC name, correct? The HMC Cloud
Yes.
TST49. So the now VT menu is the one where it will list all the systems, right? You got it? So this is all
Yes,
the
yes.
commands which you have to remember. Okay. Okay, let me give you quit again. So yeah, so this is the screen. So VT menu will list all the all the systems connected to that HMC. Okay, just click enter. So these are all the systems. As you saw it in GUI, right? In our website, same way. Like
Yes,
we so this is the yeah. So here we have done 15, right?
yes, yes.
So for that we have to click 4. Okay, enter. So now see here, we have two LPARs within that DEN 15, right? So one is already running, that is DEN 15 P02, that is running state, and one is DEN 15 P03, that is in open firmware state, right?
Open from right.
Yeah.
Right.
So we have to select option 2, okay?
Yes.
Option 2, right? So see, we got this SMS menu when we log into that LPAR via CLI, okay?
Yes.
So now what we have to do is we have to see just keep the track what I'm doing, right? So now we are selecting option 2, okay? Set up remote IPL. Option 2,
Yes.
just a minute.
Yes. Network interface card.
Okay. We have to assign a storage and network as well. Sorry, I forgot that. So after assigning processor and memory, we have to assign a
Storage, right.
storage and network, right? Okay, yeah, correct. That's why I couldn't see any this one. Just a minute. Yeah, so here, where is it? So here, what you have to do is
Kitchens.
just bring down this shutdown, okay? Once. So before that, you have to assign network and storage, okay? For the LPAR. Just do it immediate. Okay, yes. Yeah, just click on it. Mm, Click on this LPAR. Virtual network.
Okay.
Why I'm not seeing any.
This virtual storage.
Mm, Processor is done. General properties processor is done. We need to assign. Yeah, we need to assign network and storage for that. Let
So there
me.
is the option is the virtual storage is the
Yeah, I'm seeing, but I'm not able to add virtual network. I don't see any network here. Okay.
hmm. The option is disabled.
Okay. Just a minute. I guess I need to check. I did it the very last time, right? Like, let me do one thing. Yeah, let me do one thing, okay? Let me get you that